Hello everyone. Today we are going through this video to understand the topic that is MS Excel 2010. Okay. See, Microsoft Office is a package. That means it consists of so many softwares inside that. Like we have Microsoft Word, we have Microsoft Excel, we have Microsoft PowerPoint, we have Microsoft Word. Okay. So in this topic we are going to study about the Microsoft Excel. That is a popular spreadsheet software. Okay, it is widely used to perform mathematical calculations, and it has built-in features and tools like formulas, functions, and data analysis, which makes working with large amounts of data very easily. Okay, so in this we are going to study how we can arrange the data in a useful way, how we can display the data in an efficient manner, how we can perform the calculations, how we can sort the data, how we can compare the data through the help of the charts, and how we can compare two different worksheets, and how we can use the auto format tables. Okay, so you can see this is a screen of MS Excel. By default the name of the file is book1. We can change the name, we can save the name of this file according to us. So how we are going to open this? You will go to start button. After that you will go to the start menu. Under that you will go to the all programs, and in all programs you will click on the Microsoft Office folder. Under that you will find out the Microsoft Excel 2010 option. Okay, so after that this window is going to appear. Okay, in this you can see this is what, this is a quick access toolbar under which you have various options. Okay, this is your start button, or you can say the file menu. After that this is your tabs. All these are the tabs: home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, and view. Okay, and this one is your title bar. In the title bar, this is the horizontal bar. This is at the top of the window, and it displays the name of the current workbook. So by default, what is the name? By default the name is book 1. Okay, and in the quick access toolbar, it is always on the left hand side of the title bar, and it enables to quickly access a command to perform an action. Now it provides icons for commonly used commands, like we have this is for save, this is for undo, this is for redo. Okay, then we have the tabs. Why do we use the tabs? Tabs just have the various options in them. Various menus are available in them. Okay, next thing is your ribbon. So whole of this is what? This is your ribbon. So in ribbon, it is located below the title bar, and it contains different tabs. Now next is your formula bar. See this one, you can see this FX is written. This is a formula bar in which you can insert the different formulas. You can apply the different formulas. Okay, and it displays the information about the active cell. Active cell means the selected cell. Like I have clicked here. If I click here, so this is what, this is the selected cell. So you can see the address of this cell is F4, because F is the column name and 4 is the row name. Okay, now next thing is your, now you understand what is active cell, I hope. After that, what is the name box. Okay, this one is your name box in which the cell address is written, it is shown. Next is your status bar. Status bar, you can see it's at the down, in which you can see the status. It displays the status information about the active or the selected worksheet. Okay, then is your worksheet area. See, this whole white area is your worksheet area, in which it contains rows and columns. In that we can enter the data. Okay, we just need to click in the cell, and we can type anything. So that is what, that is worksheet area. Now what is workbook? See, workbook is similar to a square line notebook. As you are using the notebooks in your schools, similarly workbook is like that. So it contains 3 worksheets by default. You can see the 3 worksheets are First is sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. These are by default worksheets. Okay, then what is a worksheet? See, worksheet is like a single page. It contains rows and columns where data can be entered. So this is now sheet 1 has been opened. Now I have clicked on the sheet 2. Now this is the second page of this workbook. Now I have clicked on sheet 3, so this is the sheet number 3. That means it is the page number 3 of this workbook. So this is the concept of worksheet and the workbook. Okay, we are going to discuss it further more. So in MS Excel 2007, the office button appears on the leftmost side instead of the file menu. See, in this you can see this is the office button. Okay, it appears on the leftmost side. Both menus provide the same options. Now we have to discuss that what is the difference between the worksheet and the workbooks. Again, see, file in Excel is called a workbook, means this is a single file. Okay, this is what? This is a workbook. Now each workbook has 3 worksheets. I've told you that sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. If you want to add more worksheets to it, you have to click here. Now this is sheet 4. Okay, these sheets are visible as sheet tabs at the bottom of the workbook window, and more worksheets can be added with this icon. Each worksheet is made up of 1,48,576 rows and 16,384 columns. Okay, so these are the rows and these are the columns. Each column has an alphabetical heading at the top, like you can see A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, like this, and from here you can scroll this sheet. Okay, now you can see after Z the numbers have started. The column heading has been started from double A, AB, AC, AD, like that. It goes on till 16,384 columns. Okay, now the intersection of row and column is called a cell. So what is cell? Suppose this is cell. So this is what? This is the intersection of the rows and the columns. This is known as a cell, and each cell has a cell address. It is also called cell reference. Okay, which is a combination of column and a row heading. Like if I click here, so what is the column? Column is D, and what is the row? Row is 4. So the address will be D4. Now if we take the another example, if I click here, now you can see the column is B and the row is 2. That means the address will be B2. So this is how we can take out the address of the any active cell. Okay, and the cell reference of a cell is displayed in the name box. So I told you the address of this cell is B2. You can see this is displayed in the name box also. Okay, so it is called the cell address. Okay, one thing more you understand, that when we enter the data in a cell, 2 icons are visible next to the formula bar. Suppose here I enter roll number. Now you can see these 2 icons have been appeared. Okay, this is the formula bar, and besides this you can see the 2 icons. One is for cancel a data entry, this cross one, and this tick is for acts as an enter key. Okay, now next thing is how we can enter the data. See, the data entered in a cell could be, it can be text. Text means any alphabets. It can be number like 0 to 9. It can be a formula, okay, like a plus b square, a square plus b square, anything like that. So how we can enter the data? How we can enter the marks? See, to enter the data we have to click on the cell where we want to enter the data. Like we are entering here subject. Okay, after that in the next tab, next cell, we can write the marks. Then we can write out of. After that we can type marks in it, we can type the subjects in it, and we can type the marks, total marks out of which the paper has been taken. Okay, so in this, so here we can write the subjects like maths, then Hindi, then English, then science, then Sanskrit. Okay, suppose we have these subjects, then marks we have to write like 20, 25, 23, 24, 22. Okay, and out of we are giving 25. So we can enter this data like this. Okay, this is the method how we can enter the data in the cells. Okay kids, so next topic we are going to study in the next video. Thank you.